So hello friends, welcome to the channel and the new video for the potting soil mix. I can say the powerful potting soil mix. So friends, many people grow the garden and they are not getting the good result because for the potting soil mix, they are not giving the proper nutrient to the soil. Hence, we are facing the issues like plant is not growing well, not looking well, not giving the fruits, not giving the proper flowers. So that all is related to the one thing, that is the soil, because the soil is the base of the plant, base of the result. Hence the soil will play the very crucial role in our terrace garden or our kitchen garden. So what we are using in this soil to make it powerful, let's start the video. So I can say the best soil mix, like the soil which will have the more nutrient and more fungicides and more power, that soil will we are going to make. So if, for example, I am showing the top up soil mix, where we will use this soil to give the top up of our old plants which is already on the our other container. So here first media is we are taking as a vermicompost, which I have taken more than half of the container, and the other media what I am adding is the cow dung manure, which is little bit old, like minimum 6 month old. This is the 6 month old and it look like a very powder form. So next I'm going to add the Epsom salt. It will take the half of the small jug, plastic jug we can say, and you know the Epsom salt have good quality to start booster of our plant. If your plant is not growing properly and it's in shock, so the Epsom salt give the good result. Anyhow, we are not going to talk about more about the all quality of the media, but we are going to talk about what we are adding as of now, and we make the other video for each and every media separately. So let's move to the other media which we are going to add. This is the steam bone meal. We will have the two type of bone meal, which is one is steam and one is normal. Steam one will be very powder form. We can see this is look like this. This is the steam bone meal which we are using the half jug again. So we are using most of the media is the same half of the mug, and other media, few media will take little more. So after the bone meal, we are going to add the mustard cake powder. If you know mustard cake, yes, mustard cake is the good and very important media for your soil mix. We are going to add same is a half mug. So next media we are using, that is a Pseudomonas. Pseudomonas is one of the good fungicide which is used for your plant's root system, and it develop well and it's give good immunity. So we'll adding the Pseudomonas. The next one what we are using is the VAM powder. If you know, VAM powder also one of the fungicide which will be very good and which very powerful for your soil mix. So we are using the same half of the mug for this much of the soil. So let's go for the next media. Next media is very famous, Trichoderma. If you know, Trichoderma is the friendly fungus which will grow in your soil mix and make your plant very powerful and good immunity. So we are using the Trichoderma also, same quantity will get half of the mug, and we use in the our soil mix media. If you have noticed, we are not using any soil in this, because this is soilless we are talking about, and we will add the soil whatever ratio we are required after that. It is just example of the top up soil mix and the soil mix medias what we are going to add. The next one we are going to add is the NPK. If you know NPK will get in the chemical form actually, but we have some bio NPK available, which is one of the example I am using. The name is Prithvi. So I am using this NPK in the same quantity for this soil mix. So we are almost done with adding our media into the soil mixture. So let me recap what we have added, all these numbers. So just for recap, so we added vermicompost, cow dung, Epsom salt, mustard cake, Trichoderma, NPK, bone meal, VAM powder, neem cake I am adding, and Pseudomonas. So almost 10 items is added now. This is the neem cake I am adding again. So only left with the mixing, so we will mix properly nicely and we are good to go. So this is soilless media we have created now. We can use this adding into the 50% of soil, or we can directly give to our plants, depend on the plant size. I will give example in the end of this video. And so our soil mix already ready and we is ready to give the plant. It depend on how you want to give. We can give directly to the plants which is already potted in the pots, or you can plant inside new seedlings which we need to add some more things like garden soils or coco peat. So this is just media where we need to add other things also if you want to directly plant some seeds. So for example, I came to my garden now and you can see this is a little big plant of a mango which is planted in 100 liter of the drum, half cutted drum. So before that we have to do this a little bit, make soil little loose because it should not get dry directly. So we'll make little loose and we'll add 2 or 3 mug, or if you have more we can add 4 mugs also, not a problem. So we'll add like this and this is all done. So this is the only thing we have to do for the already planted plants. It will give good power, good immunity to your plants, and it will give very nice growth. So many people which may have some fungus problem in their soil mix, it may go away, but it will give result little late because it is organic way we are doing, it is not the chemical. So we have to take we have to be a patience, and we have to wait for the result. Result may take almost 15 to 20 days because it will this media which we have added fertilizer are the slow releasing fertilizers. It will take it will slowly release the fertilizer and give to nutrient to your plants and kill the fungus and all. So the we have added the trichoderma which is the fungicide actually, fungus actually, and it will grow their fungus into the that benefit fungus, I can say. It will grow inside your soil mix and that make your plant growth nice and green, and the flowers and everything will be come nicely. So this was the video only for information, and hope you guys like this video and you found this informative. Please do like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching, and thanks for watching, and go green, happy gardening. Thank you guys.